Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nathanie and I do a lot of lifestyle, beauty content. And if you would like to, please could you subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hey beautiful people, hope you guys are doing well. Today, as you've probably seen by the title and by my wet hair, is a curly girl routine. It's been requested, so who am I to deny you of my curly girl routine? So I'm very lazy when it comes to my hair, like straight hair, curly hair. I'm completely lazy. So I'm going to put you onto like 2 things that I do to and I'm also very to like achieve the curls that I usually have, like on my Instagram, on my TikTok, wherever. Most of the time I just wash my hair. I'm very lazy with it, and I'm also very beginner when it comes to this curly girl routine. So if you'd like to correct me, please do that in the comments. I wouldn't mind that, because you can always learn from other people. So I washed my hair, just came out of the shower, washed my hair. It's, as you can see, a bit curly, but I want more definition, and this is how I usually get it. So what I like to do is please note that none of these products have been sponsored, even though if you want to sponsor me, I do not mind. But I go in with the African Pride leave-in conditioner first. So you actually realize that I use both products, because there's only 2 products that I use. I know you need to use more, but I don't like to stress myself out too much when it comes to like products, so I try to do the bare minimum. So what I'm going to do is do a heap like this, and then just lather it onto my hair. Make sure it is well coated, and I usually like to just go with another heap just to make sure that everything has been covered. I either like to do it like this is when I'm really lazy, but other than that I would literally go in and do this. So I like to just detangle with my fingers. Actually, let me put up my hair. And then also, hang on. So after you have applied the leave-in conditioner very vigorously and very generously, sorry, that's a hair, I like to section out my hair, so small parts, and then I like to detangle. And as I detangle, finger detangle, let me say that, I like to go in with the African Pride curling cream. This is honestly like my holy grail. So what I like to do is I like to go in with a finger size amount, and then I'd like to just comb it through the section that I'm currently working on. As you can see, it looks like that, and I like to work with it either in this kind of section, or I like to, if I'm being really lazy, which is most of the time, I'll literally go and take a heap of it like that, and just detangle my hair like this. I know that it's not really good to do that. Okay. And then put another heap on the other side. Finger detangle through all of it. Okay, and then what I'd like to do is I like to bend my head over and then take the hair as is, and then scrunch it up. You need to be sure you're hearing the wetness of it, and you want to just scrunch it up like that. Okay, and then let's do the other side. Just like that. And if you don't feel like it's enough, babes, go back, because I like to be pretty generous when it comes to my curls. I also like to make sure that I have a path. Well, depending on where you want, how you want your hair to be styled, I like a middle path. So I like to do that, and then I carry on doing this. Okay. And that is basically it. I don't really like to complicate things, honestly. I like things as is and easy. So that's basically what I do. You could diffuse your hair, but I don't really like to do that. So I usually just let it air dry, because usually I would be doing my hair first and then I do my makeup, and then it just air dries and it looks very cute. But as the day goes on, I usually like to touch my hair. So that's also how sometimes I lose a bit of definition. You can also go in with the Denman brush. I like to go in, if I'm really trying to have a more defined curl, I will go in with a brush like this that has a lot of teeth. And this is kind of similar to a Denman brush. It will give you the same curl definition to what a Denman brush would do. So this is just like a cheaper option. This or a Denman brush, if you've got the coins, you know, you can do what you can. But this is basically it. I don't really like to put gel on my hair, because I know that's usually like the next step. But I don't like it to be like crunchy. So I like it to be a bit flowy and let it air dry and then see how it goes. But if you'd like to correct me in the comments, please do that.
2 hours later.
One more thing, I just wanted to give you what my hair looks like. This is a couple of hours later. I think it's maybe like an hour and a half later. It's dried, and you can see there's some curly, there's some frizziness. If anybody knows how I can get rid of that, that would be great. But in essence, this is how I do my curly hair routine. I also have makeup on, you know, so a lot has changed since I filmed this video. But I just wanted to give you guys of what it would look like afterwards. But I have nothing else to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
Orbiting around